job to be done. It's Tractor Tom that saves the day. Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you.
One hot day at Spring Hill Farm, Fee and Tom were hard at work.
Phew! The sooner we get this haystack built, the sooner we can go and cool down. All right, I'm tired too. Come on, Tom, nearly there.
Not everyone was working. Wheezy was still tired after the harvest. The hens were exhausted from laying their eggs for the day. And Purdy just liked sleeping. She was too lazy even to snore. But their afternoon sleep didn't last long.
Hi, everyone.
It was Matt in his pickup truck, Rev.
Who wants to see my fantastic new mobile phone? Oh, be like that. Has anyone seen Fee? All right, go back to sleep.
That's the last one, Tom, so be careful or the whole stack will fall down. Come on, Tom, you can do it!
I wonder where Fee's got to. Slow down, Tom. It's too hot to rush around. What's wrong? Overheating? Hey, put me down! Oh no! Was Fee on the haystack? She could be anywhere. I know. I'll ring her on my new mobile phone. There! I can hear it. Careful, Tom. We don't want to hurt her. Oh, look, it's a scarecrow. Oh, it's Fee.
Thank you.
Back in the barn, everyone was dozing off again, or trying to. Tom drove Matt and Fee back to the farmhouse, and no one noticed that the sheep were heading for the hay. The ducks still couldn't find anywhere to settle. Back at the farmhouse, Matt told Fee about his new mobile phone.
It's really small and light. But the best thing is you can record any ringtone you like. Oh no! I've lost it.
Let's do what you did to find me. I'll call your phone and you listen for the ringtone.
I can't hear it.
You must have dropped it somewhere outside.
But the sheep had made their own ringtone. Fee and Matt looked all over the farm, but they couldn't hear the phone anywhere. But Fee did see the sheep.
There They're eating all my hay.
In the barn, the ducks still couldn't find anywhere to sit.
It's no good. We've looked everywhere. I'm never going to find it.
It must be somewhere. Try calling your number again.
I can't hear it. Can you?
No. Be quiet, Mo. Mo, shush.
It's no good. It's gone.
Tom thinks he can find it.
There's no point, Tom.
Is it in Mo's field, Riff? I'll call the number again. Tom, what are you doing?
Hey, put me down.
I don't know what's got into you two. We're looking for Matt's phone. We haven't got time to play games.
Let's go. This is terrible. I need that phone.
I know, but we've looked everywhere. It really is lost.
Finally, Whack and Back found a place where they weren't annoying anyone. Tom was tired after his long hot day, but he still noticed that something about Whack just wasn't right. So he blew his horn. And then he knew where the phone was.
Tom, what is it? He wants us to try the phone again. All I can hear is Whack and Back. There's no phone, Tom.
Tom had an idea. If he woke Purdy, she would chase the ducks.
That's weird. The ducks have gone, but I can still hear them.
Over here.
It's your phone!
Hello?
Hi, Matt. Why's your phone quacking?
It must have recorded Whack's voice by accident. No wonder we couldn't find it.
But Tom could. And I know of a way to say thank you.
What?
It's a surprise.
So Matt drove home with his new mobile phone safe and sound. And Fee gave Tom a good long shower.
That's better. I think it's time we gave Matt his surprise, don't you?
What's that noise? Is it a car? Is it a plane? No, it's my mobile phone. Hi, Fee.
Hi, Matt. It's me and Tom. We hope you like your new ringtone.
Yes, I'll keep this one. It'll remind me of all the help Tom gave me. Bye.
I don't need a ringtone to tell me how much help you are, because I know already.
Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you. We couldn't do it without you. Tractor Tom!
There's a bright red tractor on Spring Hill Farm, who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer Fee's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the day. Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you.
It was a quiet day at Spring Hill Farm. Fee and Matt were loading apple boxes onto Tom's trailer.
right, that's all done and we've got no other jobs to do today. I'd go home and watch TV, but mine's broken.
We could make our own entertainment for a change.
What do you mean?
Instead of TV, we could both put on a show.
What sort of show?
I've had an idea, but I'm not telling you yet. Oh, Purdy. It's like magic the way she can appear from nowhere.
That's an idea. I'll do a magic show.
Purdy wasn't happy. She had an itch on her back that just wouldn't go away. Fee set to work on her...
Shush, it's a secret. Let's get started, Riff. Go away.
Matt started to practice his magic tricks.
I've got absolutely nothing up my sleeve. Well, they weren't up my sleeve.
Rev told Tom he could do a magic trick too. He made all the animals disappear. Rev thought this was very funny, but Tom knew he'd be the one who'd have to find all the missing animals. Purdy was still trying to scratch her back. Tom started by looking for the hens.
And with one wave of my magic wand... Amazing! Oh, they weren't supposed to appear.
Tom tried the same trick with the flower pots, and it worked. Fee was busy with...
Go away. I told you it's a secret.
And for the lady, a beautiful bunch of roses. They smell... Ugh, like they've been under my jacket for too long.
Next, Tom found the ducks. Purdy finally found the perfect place to scratch her back. It was the highest branch of the very tallest tree on the farm. Tom had found all the missing animals, except for Snicker. Winnie didn't know where he could be. But Tom knew how to find him.
And with my magic spoon, I'll make this teapot rise into the air. Oh. Should have emptied it first.
Poor Snicker was stuck in the mud. Finally, Purdy got rid of her itch. The only problem she had now was how to get down. But nobody heard Purdy's calls for help, because finally it was time to find out what Fee's secret was.
So what's the big secret?
Watch this.
You mean the sheep?
Look what I've taught them.
Whoa!
Follow that.
Oh, I will. You ain't seen nothing yet. Tom, can you get everyone on the farm back to the barn? I want a huge audience for Matt the Magnifico's marvelous manifestation of magic.
Tom realized that someone else was missing. Where was Purdy? Tom looked everywhere for Purdy.
Now, which saucepan is my mobile phone under? It's not this one, or this one, so it must be... Oh, dear.
Is this what you're looking for?
My next trick is the amazing vanishing duck. Now you see her, now you don't.
You see two of her.
I'll try a card trick.
Something that the dancing sheep had done gave Tom an idea.
All right, very funny. Who's got my cards? Look what you've done to them. It's like Purdy does to the carpets.
Wait a minute. Where is Purdy?
I don't know.
I've just realised I haven't seen her all afternoon. You didn't make her disappear, did you?
No.
I hope she's all right. I think we should go and look for her. She really has disappeared. We need some real magic now. Well done, Tom. That was the most fantastic piece of magic I've ever seen. Tom's done the best of all.
But you know what? Rev's got this great trick. He can make every animal in the farmyard disappear. Show her, Rev. Oh, dear.
Tom's definitely the winner.
Hey, you know the bad thing about this trick of Tom's?
What?
We have to load all those boxes back onto his trailer again. We'll be here till the middle of the night.
What have we started, Riff? The sheep are having a disco.
Can't someone stop them dancing, please?
Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you. We couldn't do it without you. Tractor Tom!
There's a bright red tractor on Spring Hill Farm, who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer Fee's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the day. Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you.
It was a lovely autumn morning at Spring Hill Farm, but it looked as if it was going to be one of those days. For a start, Wheezy was feeling sorry for himself. He'd finished harvesting the wheat, and now he was back in the barn again, with nothing to do. Tom tried to cheer him up, but it was no good. Wheezy was feeling a little bit useless. Over in the farmhouse, Fee was having trouble with Purdy because, like a lot of cats, she was a very fussy eater.
Here, Purdy. Breakfast time. What's the matter? You've always liked this cat food. I bought it specially. Oh, honestly, Purdy. Here, have some milk instead. Don't tell me you've gone off milk too. Well, you'll just have to have something later. I'm meeting Matt in the orchard. We've got a lot of apples to pick today.
Hi, Fee. Whoa, we've really had a bumper crop this year.
I know. We'd better get started. Phew! Time for a break, Matt.
Yeah, I'm ready for a cuppa.
Go ahead. I'm just going to pop back to the house to feed Purdy. Or try to, anyway. Purdy. Lovely sardines. How about some kippers? Oh, Purdy, you really are a fusspot.
Meanwhile, Tom checked on Wheezy. He was still bored and fed up. Tom wished he could think of something to keep the old combine harvester occupied.
Tom!
But just then, Fee called him to take her back to the orchard. Wheezy decided to take a nap.
That's it for now. But there's still plenty more.
I know. I hope we'll be able to sell them all.
You'd better take Rev's load to the market and see how you get on. We'll put the rest in the barn for the moment.
Okay, Fee. See you later.
Right, Tom, let's get back. I've just thought of something Purdy always likes. There, a lovely saucer of cream. Your favourite. Oh, no. Surely you haven't gone off cream too?
Meanwhile, Tom had unloaded all his boxes of apples. There were so many of them that they even had to put some on Wheezy. Poor Fee. Purdy was being fussier than ever.
Cabbage? Baked beans? Mushrooms? Oh, I give up.
Wheezy was still enjoying his nap. And although he didn't know it, he was making rather a mess. At that moment, Rev arrived.
All the farmers have got loads of apples this year, so there's no point in me taking any more to market.
Oh dear, what are we going to do?
I don't know, Fee.
Well, I've got to feed the chickens. I'll call you later, okay?
Okay.
Matt was about to go home, but Tom stopped him. He had an idea, but he needed Matt's help.
What's up, Tom? You want me to look in the barn? Whoa, what a mess! How did this happen?
And then Tom started to tell Matt his great idea.
Oh, I get it. All right. Maybe. Hey, let's give it a try.
What on earth's going on in the barn?
Matt wanted to surprise Fee with Tom's idea, so he told Rev to try and keep her out of the way.
Don't be silly, Rev. Why can't I go in? What do you mean it's dangerous? What's Matt doing in there? Making you a new exhaust pipe? Well, I suppose your old one is a bit noisy. All right then, I'll see you later.
Inside the barn, Everyone was very busy.
It's finished. Let's see if it works. Yes!
Come on, Rev. There's something fishy going on, and I want to know what it is.
It's okay, Fee. You can come in now. Presenting the Wheezy Special Mod 1 Apple Juice Making Machine.
Oh, Matt, that's brilliant! Now we'll be able to use up all the extra apples.
Don't thank me, thank Tom. It was his idea.
So, thanks to Tom, everyone was happy. Matt was off to the market with loads of lovely apple juice. Wheezy was feeling useful again. And Fee didn't have to worry about all her apples going to waste. The only thing she had to worry about was Purdy.
Oh, Purdy, come here. I don't believe it. You're drinking apple juice. You really are a funny cat.
Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you. We couldn't do it without you. Tractor Tom!
There's a bright red tractor on Spring Hill Farm who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer Fee's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the day. Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you.
It was lambing time at Spring Hill Farm. Tom and Fee had come to feed the sheep.
Where have they gone? Oh, no. Someone's left the gate open.
1 sack of flour for you, Rev. And some jars of honey for the little guy. Can you manage that? Excuse me, phone. Hello? Okay, I'll look behind the barn. Fee's lost the sheep. Again.
Rev teased Buzz that he was too small to carry a proper load. Buzz said that he might be small, but he was much faster than Rev. Rev didn't agree, so they decided to have a race.
Out, all of you. You should be looking after your lambs.
Buzz and Rev were ready to race. Ready, steady, go!
What happened to you, Tom? Oh, look. Have you lost your mum? You must be hungry. Let's take you back to the farm and find you some milk.
Buzz and Rev finished their race and then started to argue about who had won.
What was all that noise?
Look what we found.
That's not your mummy. That's Tractor Tom. How come Tom's gone white?
It must be dust or something.
It wasn't one of you two playing games. It's a mystery then.
Well, there's no time to solve it now. The lamb needs some milk.
Come on, little one.
Buzz and Rev knew why Tom had turned white, and they thought it was very funny.
She won't drink it.
She wants her mum.
No, she wants Tom. She thinks Tom really is her mum.
Well, it's an easy mistake to make.
She's only a baby. We need to find her real mother now.
I'll do that. I'm good with sheep. There you are. Go and find your mum. Hey! Wrong way!
Wherever Tom went that day, the little lamb was sure to go. And there was nothing Matt could do.
And I am trying. That's your mama. Ow! You are a lamb, not a tractor. You eat grass. You do little lammy jumps in the air. And come with me. You drink water from the river. Help! I give up. Go and be a tractor. And who's been chucking rubbish in the river? I don't believe it. It's a pram.
Buzz and Rev were still arguing about who had won the race. The only way to decide was to have another race.
Hey! Where do you think you're going?
What happened to you?
I fell in the river.
Why?
It's that lamb. She's driving me mad.
I thought you said you were good with sheep.
But I'm rubbish with sheep who think they're tractors.
Never mind. I've had an idea. Come on, Tom. I need your help. Don't be like that. Tom, I want you to stay here with your little lamb. It's just till she gets used to being with the other sheep.
I think you make a wonderful mummy.
See you later.
Buzz and Rev were ready to race again. This time, they'd find out who really was the fastest.
You've got that flour and honey that I loaded up, have you?
No, I haven't seen it.
That's odd.
Buzz, Red, stop!
I knew they were up to something.
Oh no, Tom's joined in the race too. What's got into them? Tom, what are you doing?
He was rescuing the lamb.
Well done, Tom. Tom's not white anymore, so the lamb doesn't think he's a sheep. But how's she going to find her real mother?
Now I've got an idea.
Matt, where did you get that pram from?
I found it in the stream.
And that's your brilliant idea, is it?
No, this is my idea. A sheep tractor.
That is the worst idea I've ever heard of.
You were saying?
Maybe you are good with sheep, Matt. You found the lamb a new mum. And you looked after her and saved her from the river. I don't know what I'd do without you. Come on, let's go back to the farm.
What about Buzz and Rev?
They can stay stuck at the trough. They caused all the trouble in the first place.
Rev, you are in big trouble. But if you're very lucky, Tom might tow you home tomorrow. You too, little fella.
Back in the farmyard, Fee and Matt cleaned and polished Tom.
I'm glad we got that lamb sorted out. You know how sheep can be once they get an idea into their heads.
Oh no, look! They all want to be tractor sheep.
What are we going to do?
I think Tom's just going to have to get used to it.
Here's Tractor Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you. We couldn't do it without you. Tractor Tom!
There's a bright red tractor on Spring Hill Farm who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer Fee's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the day. Here's Tractor Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you.
One morning at Spring Hill Farm, Fee was up bright and early. Today was the day for tidying up the barn.
Right, everyone. If we all work hard, we can get the barn looking really nice. Yes, I know you look nice, Tom. It's all this stuff that's the problem. All these logs and bales of hay have to be in neat piles, okay? Tom, You need to decide which bit of kit will be best for you to tidy up with. Don't worry about the rest. Matt and I'll do that. Come to think of it, where is Matt? He should be here by now.
Doesn't sound too good, Rev. I'd better call Fee.
Hello, Matt. Where are... Oh, dear. What a shame. Will you be able to fix him?
I should think so. I'll need my tools, though, and I think I left them in the barn yesterday.
Yes, I can see them. Tell you what, why don't I bring them up to you?
Would you, Fee? That'd be a real help.
Yes, I know you like football. You can play later, but the barn has to be tidied first. Anyway, Buzz, I need you to take me up to Matt's caravan. While I'm gone, you two can carry on. And remember, no football till you've finished. Hi, Matt. Here are your tools.
Thanks, Fee.
So, what do you think?
Could be his starter motor. I'm going to take it out to check. Don't panic, Rev. You won't feel a thing.
Meanwhile, Tom and Wheezy were hard at work. So they could finish the job quicker, they persuaded Riff and Snicker to help them. It wasn't long before everything was piled up neatly. So now Tom and his friends could play... football!
Right, Matt, I'll leave you to it. I'd better see how they're getting on back at the farm.
OK, Fee. I'll check in with you later.
And now it's Winnie of Farmyard United making a dangerous-looking move. Spring Hill Rovers goalie Mo is looking nervous. Riff takes it on her head. And it's a goal for Farmyard United! Goal! Tom now for Rovers. A lovely pass to Snicker. And he scored! Oh, a beautiful back shot. Let's look at that again. Marvellous, marvellous. Riff now for Farmyard United. She's a lovely little dribbler. Snicker goes in hard. But she beats him. She gets past Tom to... and noses one into the net for another fantastic goal. Now it's Farmyard United 2, Spring Hill Rovers 1. Now Tom's got the ball. He shoots! It's going into the side of the net, but But wait, Purdy's in the game. Surely it's going to be a goal. Oh, dear. Awful bit of bad luck for Wheezy there. In fact, it looked like bad luck for everyone, because Fee was almost home, and she would not be happy to find the barn so untidy. Luckily, they were saved by the bell.
Oh, hello, Matt. Everything okay?
Afraid not, Fee. Turns out Rev needs a new starter motor, and there isn't a bus into town for hours.
Hey, don't worry. I'll nip into town for you.
Are you sure? What about Tom and Co. and the tidying up?
Oh, they'll be fine. They've probably finished by now.
But they hadn't finished at all. Instead, they were starting all over again. While Tom and the others were busy in the barn, and Fee was on her way to town, the sheep decided to have their own game of football. But the trouble was, they didn't know how to play properly. And just as Tom finished tidying up the last log... Oh, no. Not again. Meanwhile, up at the caravan...
Hi, Matt. I've got the starter motor.
Great stuff, Fee. We'll soon have Rev fixed. OK, Rev, you should be right as rain now.
Great! Now we can get back to the farm. They'll probably be playing football by now, and I know these two won't want to miss that.
Mo and Winnie were keeping a lookout. Fee was now ready for a game of football.
Hi, everybody. I'm back.
But Riff, Snicker, and Tom were just too tired from all that tidying up.
Oh, dear. Sounds like you're all worn out. Here, you two. See if you can liven things up.
Oh, well, that's a great kick from Fee. Buzz takes it on the head. Now Rev's got the ball.
That's it.
Hooray!
Go on, Rev, you're a natural.
Well, that's lovely ball control from Rev. Buzz comes in fast. He's looking for a shot at goal.
Come on, Buzz!
Oh!
Buzz! Are you okay? Oh, dear, I've got an awful feeling about this.
Buzz, speak to us. Say something. I think he'll live. Shame about all this mess, though.
Oh, don't worry about that. Everyone knows what to do. They'll soon have it tidied up again.
Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you. We couldn't do it without you.